Welcome to this video on the RFM segmentation use case. We will explain what RFM segmentation is, walk you through the logic of the use case, and show how to set it up. To follow along in greater detail, please reference the use case documentation. RFM segmentation tracks your customers' behavior and helps you to determine your most loyal customers. These are calculated based on the recency, frequency, and monetary principles, tracking when the customer purchased on your website, how often, and in what monetary value. The higher the scores in these areas, the better the overall customer loyalty in the RFM segmentation. This use case recognizes 12 segments based on the overall RFM value of the customer. Read detailed explanations of each segment in the table, which is at the end of the evaluation dashboard. Once you start the use case, the RFM segment which the customer is assigned to, as well as the individual RFM values, will be tracked also in their customer profiles. The use case consists of 3 items: the scenario, which triggers the use case, the purchase definition, which defines what you considered the successful purchase event in your project, and the dashboard to evaluate the results. Adjust the purchase success definition only if you track the complete purchase event under a different naming than success. The scenario consists of 2 flows. The first flow makes sure you track the RFM data for all your customers. We call it the initial flow. It assigns the segmentation to every customer who makes a purchase on your website. The second flow is designed to track the changes to the customer loyalty. We call it the repeat flow. It makes sure that your customer's RFM value is regularly updated. It is set up to run twice a month. However, you can manually adjust the frequency. Just open the node and edit the times of execution. Always read the scenario labels under the scenario nodes, as they remind you of any remaining actions you should take prior triggering the scenario. To start the scenario, proceed to connect the now trigger and repeat monthly trigger to the conditions in the respective flows. Click Save button and then start the scenario. The use case will run automatically. Let's now open the dashboard to see how different customers fall within different RFM segments. Once the scenario is started, the dashboard immediately presents you with the first data based on the analysis of the customers which have been in your database. First, see the summary reports, which take into the consideration the overall calculated RFM customer score, and second, see the individual reports, based on the individual recency, frequency, and monetary scores of your customers. Keep an eye on your dashboard and adjust strategies based on the results. Use it to identify the most valuable consumers, develop targeted marketing strategies, and maximize sales and overall revenue per visitor.